Marago mwanchu bwigetaseni kia Ndizi TV na okwanire andonsia soverete ekeravono ngukwaregania asemesa ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi chabona magoroba elionkumanye na raria ya agendrete gokoreka ime na isiko yorogongo rwagusi rituko neria ijuma chitarikine 20 na kianda omutinyu gatano na kabere umwaka bwechiri bwibere na 22 chinga kibona matuko atigarita makekegima eliense ya Kenya goswa asobochoryo bonene bumwaka oyo ekera mangana siasa agendrete kwene kigwa Kenya ngima abarwanereria bebirogo ao bagendrete kumirana n'abakenya eliokonia chisera cyabo gwakira ekoko osyo bwobochori obonene barimo gotobwatya wetera senchira yemitandao tonyore Ndizi TV News digital ensemo ya Facebook naboigo Ndizi TV News ensemo ya YouTube nekero bwate chingaki nabogo tweet at Ndizi TV News gosoto mekerengeri kiao weterase namba yesimi ere ase TV ya onkoira nande asegeke kekerebosio egerenko manye na raria ya korekanire asenchera yobwenge. Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita nolia to kubwatirana komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua auta tigango to ya chake korwa se county ya Kisii abo asensemo yabamenyi korwa chigwodi ao imeye bunge ya bonchari baumerana asamaga chamanene yechiabisi chekiama kia Kenya National Congress eliokonganya korwa se byama ao nagosoa se kiamekyo eliokomosira oyokoligekergo kyobo governor ase county ya Kisii omoske Manson Oyongo abo asekolengana na abo banyarkwa bakonganya bateba Manson Oyongo chinga kialengo mobunge o South Mogirango nigaikiraneti amagendera mange naigo aisoka wali bagalio gosoa se county naisaine asokora abagusi
na mheshimiwa governor to be mkuu wa mjumbe Mogirango South Mogirango mheshimiwa wako lega singi kera mjumbe Mogirango o maana usobole yes kwaro ojumbe otabwati kemaso obore clean na riri manyetenga hobomo mo gavano ito wodi edera bengi yakwa muna wonere sei to bonchali ndobwate mechano kadawa muna bono chipasari abana baitu bagosomera
tomera ndigaga rero tubwaterane tusira musikoyo sababu mote lego jinalige ilia mangana ya gocha na lengese kama giodie segincha bete ngarwani uno musikoyo moyo kurwani onde wensi paka inako barwani chebono na amua oyo ngokora go support eno abanjari ko bobo mwanjirane tugwasio yongo ne range na intu to konya namo mwanjiranire oyongo oyo biyamuna sana
tole edate nya ya Manson Oyongo Nyamweya Governor 2022 tarehe 9 aliwo emesayira
obase winning team inwe n'abantu mugwake kura ya inobune block
Omoteneneri bwabasae korwa se county ya Kisii Richard Mumanyi bono nigaganetie serikali enene gwetera abisi yomunogeri bwe serikali eyokoragwa na Colonel retired Cyrus Oguna enyare ko bakego konya basae korwa se county eyo aso kwegendereria asichinjira ao ime ye county ya Kisii nigaya kwana ya litkulia rero abwase omobisa oyo mokorwa abisi yomunogeri omonene bwe serikali anyara ko bagakwenekia una serikali enene nebwatemero belie menge igoro yabasae bunero bereti gochoko babwatesya elio kwegendereria kebogima.
We are here on a very simple but clear mission, and that is to speak with the youth, to tell them that the future is here. Gone are the days when they used to be told you are the leaders of the future. Right now they're the majority in this country. So it's no longer about the youth being the future. The future is here. So we came to listen, and also we want to listen to them, tell us about their challenges, the challenges they're facing. We also came to tell them about what the government is doing for them. Because the government, being well aware that the majority of Kenya's population is the youth, has deliberately channeled billions of shillings for the youth. So that's why we're here, to tell them the government cares about the youth.
Ekiombe kiobochori aiga Kenya IEBC amona kilia kiomosoelio monene bwa serikali ODPP naboigo ekiombe gosebiga mbero naboigo nebyombe ao gati yabo biribyo bolendi bono nigo besbieso kirie na kwene kiabuna nigo bire tayare kegima ile kwene kiabuna obochori bole bosiongo koleka bole asenchira yo bwene no bwasioko buraburu chinde kitali kwene kiwa asense ya Kenya abwasi barusiri obwoba asaba Kenya buna kerense mo nechigokora okunyara kwabo na kwene kiabuna obochori ngokoleka bole bija asenchira yo molembe nigo boigo baboliria abakenya bonsi koralio molembe chinga kichinde chionsi na boiga bana siasa koralio molembe anenekero bagendrete ne campaign chinsemo ao ime ya Kenya.
Of the IEBC, I also want to confirm that we are ready for the 9th of August elections. What we are currently undertaking is trainings of the poll officials, which is ongoing in the constituencies. We also training poll agents, those who have been given to us by the candidates. The training of the police officers was concluded last week, and they are ready to be deployed.
We discussed in detail as agencies that are mandated with the responsibility of ensuring that justice within the country is assured, and that eventually a free and fair election is delivered for all Kenyans. And I want to confirm that we have all affirmed that as institutions that are mandated to ensure this, we are all well prepared.
Confirm that we are ready. We have deployed as requested by IEBC. We have deployed for security for the rest of the areas that are not concerned with elections outside the polling centers. And our duty is to assure Kenyans that we are safe, ready, and we will provide security 100% as required by IEBC. And we are satisfied that the deployment also leaves
Ekiombe gia Center for African Progress nigo bono kiene kirebuna obotuki bwa korwa gwetere birengerero ao bya bananchi osaba Kenya nigo bokoro kebuna obocholi bware gokorwa lero nigo morai bw'ikiama kia ODM uyobo igogo chakoiruke bandera ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Amolo Odinga Arekoba omobui asekeru ekenene kyuburai bwense amone kerengo giechikura kere merongo etano nibere gose merongo etano na ibere asemia ekerobono mokonyo ye omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto akonyora chikura chire ekerengo kemerongo enena isano igoro yemia abwasebo igo abateneneri korwase kyombekyo batebire kigambero gose bigambero imense ya Kenya nigo byariganetie gucha gukora kina kende gionsi kiranyariko bakego kwanerwa igoro yobocholi bwense ya Kenya bunenchire yemoyo gutanga liberera amone chiburaburu asense ya Kenya magega yobocholi obonene gokorwa
2%. His opponent, Deputy President Ruto, should come up at 45% on a national average. Again, people are going to vote. Kenyans always come out and vote. An overwhelming, well over 90% of registered voters will be voting, okay? There is no difference in gender. Men and women will all come out and vote on election day. There's a high level of confidence in the Supreme Court. I got that right. And so if there are any problems with the president.
Nyoro no mwanchu muligereria ekino ekiombe gia Center for African Progress chinga kinakeria gia tifa ya sogetio roboti rwaboro kworokia Raila Odinga nigagendrete gutangana sekerengo kemerongene na isano ne monu gutaisano na ibere igoro yemia yechikura gakobwati gwasobwange na Aruto kabwate kerengo kemerongene na inyenu gutainye igoro yemia nyendrio bacholi bware gokoreka ase lituko lya rero gutigana na mangana yobo tukikoro ase byombe ao Omo Archbishop korwa sensemo gosomo Archbishop Jackson Olesapit nigobona aboliria banasiasa wanchira na machibu y'abacholi b'umwaka oyo unenjere yamo yo gutanga chiburaburu na maberera siasa magega y'abacholi bonene gokoreka niga yakwaneta ya litkule igoro ase county ya Kajiado ekerachi eteko igora gosekobe kalige nalyo musingi asobwaga chibwe kanisa ya Kajiado diocese asebona aboliria ba Kenya kwene kyomurembe na koimoka litkule lilie kura na kobeke kura asumurai oliora koletere amagenderero asobacholi obwo bulibosio.
Election happens. Respect the will of the people of Kenya. When you are defeated, concede defeat. And if you feel aggrieved, we have processes in the justice and judicial system in Kenya. Go to court instead of taking people to the streets for demonstration because you don't want to see disruption of businesses or disruption of normal life. Election day and vote and let us go home. Let us abhor violence in any form. And let us keep and maintain peace because Kenya is ours now during the election.
Mwanchu muligereria na arayu asebono kulinda mange ekero chiaragire nsemo yabono botuko nochiko yanyora nainde asenchera yoboikiranu inyora baliki baito nigo bali chinsemo ao imeyorogongo rwagusi kwene kiabuna bagusangereire onsi aliagendrete gokoreka korwa chingako ao ocheko yanyora senchera yoboikiranu chikoraga ensemo yabono botuko igoto baisa gusuka korwa Ndizi TV nero bwansubo mugusi oliato baterana komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta no olia bwene kiabuna chibicha na maliogi awikeira senchera yobotoereru nigakoro kwa Petronila Mokeira na inchenako yoletera senchera yobwenge nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi on Tita.